Here's how to wow your guests this Christmas with a beautifully crafted tablescape and a little help from the eufy S1 Pro, the world's first and best floor scrubber. To keep things spotless. First, I'm working on a few special details to elevate the setup. These plain nutcrackers need to be given a little Candyland makeover. Then I'm gluing them together with these plates to make a cute little cake stand. Next, I'm taking some fake macarons and spackling them onto this cone for a Christmas tree centerpiece. Now to set up the party table and set out the treats. Setting up a party is messy business, but no more scrambling to get the house guest ready. You take care of the food and festivities while eufy vacuums, mops, and heat dries. From the first robot vacuum introduced in 1996 to the first mopping robot in 2015, eufy continues to push the boundaries. Now their vacuum and mop robots deliver the cleanest results with advanced floor washing technology. eufy's team revolutionized the design with a square-bodied concept, ensuring better coverage and superior cleaning when mopping. This breakthrough earned them the prestigious CES January 2023 Innovation Award. eufy recognized a common issue with other robot mops. They often spread messes instead of cleaning them. That's why eufy revolutionized the industry with its dual water tank design. The dirty water tank collects debris from the mop, while the clean water tank continuously rinses it, ensuring a spotless mop throughout the entire cleaning process and preventing cross-contamination. Plus, the docking station goes a step further by draining dirty water from the robot and keeping the station clean and disinfected. Prioritizing user safety, they also introduced an ozone water system. Competitors use regular tap water for mopping, resulting in inferior sterilization effects. But eufy utilizes tap water to produce ozone water, which has a sterilization rate of up to 99.99%, eliminating harmful bacteria and getting you a deeper clean. Improving indoor air quality is essential for protecting your family from harmful bacteria, especially for those with respiratory sensitivities or weakened immune systems. Even during the most vulnerable seasons, you can rest easy knowing your home is a safe space for both your children and pets. No cross-contamination, just a perfectly clean floor. Got a spill? No problem. Watch how easily eufy tackles tough stains, leaving your floors gleaming. And with its transparent water tank design, you can see when it's time for a refill. Designed with convenience in mind, eufy's LCD touch controls make it effortless to start a cleaning cycle. Plus, with the app's smart features, you can track every clean, view floor maps, and monitor your vacuum's progress, all from the palm of your hand. With the most advanced AI obstacle avoidance on the market, it navigates through life's clutter, whether it's shoes, dogs, or furniture. Now let's see the mop's cleaning power in action. Watch as we run a white wipe across the floor before the eufy goes to work. Now, after just one pass with the eufy's dual water tank system, the results speak for themselves. Thanks to the advanced self-cleaning technology, eufy delivers spotless results every time. Whether it's after a festive dinner or tidying up from decorating, eufy's advanced floor scrubber takes care of the messes so you can focus on what matters. With its powerful cleaning capabilities, you can spend more time celebrating and less time worrying about cleanup. Get $500 off yours now with eufy's biggest discount ever. Available from October 8th. Shop the link in the description box to save. And thank you to eufy for sponsoring this video.